What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, back with another video, man. Today I'm going to be hitting you guys with something a little different. Something I don't see a lot of different shoe tubers doing, I guess. And it's going to be a video showing the shoes that I recently took an L on, man. Usually I do like the rant videos when I take an L on Sneakers app, or either I just explain why I didn't get this shoe. But today I'm going to sum up all the shoes I haven't gotten in like the past month and a half, 2 months, because I know I haven't bought a pair of shoes since the Travis Scott 4s, which is crazy to me, you know what I'm saying? So, no, I think it was a Michigan 12 was my last pickup. But today I'm going to tell y'all the shoes I took an L on and why I took an L. And I think it's going to be like a little spin-off to this video, but I'm going to say that for later. So let's get right to the video. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get into it. Okay, the first shoe that I took an L on that I can remember is the Last Shot 14s. So with this shoe, I know I can still get it, but it's like, do I want to go and pay the extra price on StockX, then have to end up paying shipping to get over here? So I'm gonna have to pay for the shoe from StockX, get it sent to my relative's house, and then I gotta pay for it to get it shipped to me. And that's gonna take at least, as y'all know with the Travis Scott 4s, it took me, what, a whole month and a half to get them shoes? So it's like, do I really want to go through all that hassle to get this pair of shoes? And I want the shoe, of course. I'm going to get the shoe, but it's just a big hassle with getting the shoe. So this is why I just chalked this one up as an L. And I'm looking forward to getting this shoe down the line. So hopefully soon, one of the dudes I bought shoes from here in Germany, hopefully he can get them to me. But right now I'm trying to get a pair of shoes that I recently released. Y'all should know what it is, but I'm going to keep my tongue on hold because I was supposed to get the Last Shot 14s, but I didn't get them. So, you know what I'm saying, I'm going to just watch what I say. But Last Shot 14s is the first shoe I can remember taking an L on. Let me know if y'all cop in the comment section below. Okay, the next shoe that I took an L on, which, like I said, I can still get the shoe, but it's going to be a huge hassle getting them, is the He Got Game 13s. My boy He Got Kick said he's going to hook me up, but I was thinking that my sneaker store that's here was going to get them. So hopefully this Saturday I will get this shoe. Hopefully I can show y'all what I copped. And y'all know how I am, man. So hopefully I get them. Hopefully I can show y'all. Hopefully we can get the discussion going in the comment section below. And I need them, bro. I need the Last Shot 14s. I need the He Got Game 13s. And the He Got Game 13s is a shoe I was talking about when I first started YouTube. And as one of my grills, I know the Last Shot 14 was in there, the Candy Cane 14, as well as the He Got Game 13s, man. So those two shoes on top of the list, I need those. Let me know if you caught. Let me know if you took an L, man. I know y'all probably didn't if y'all want it in the States. So just let me know. Let's get into the next sneaker. Okay, so these next two shoes, I'm gonna put them together. It's the Air Force 1 Travis Scott's, and which else was it? The Air Jordan 4 Raptors. I kid y'all not, I hit on both of these shoes. I hit on the Travis Scott Air Force 1s, and I hit on the Raptor 4s, man. So with me being over here in Germany, I think, you know what I'm saying, the whole billing information is different from in the States. So every time I try to get a shoe on the Sneakers app, I've been hitting on them, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I've been hitting on the shoe, but they send me a fraud protection text like, did you authorize Nike to send? I might show up, they don't show too much information on here, but I might not, because I think it does. But it's like, do you authorize them to take, well, I think it was like $214 for the Raptor 14s altogether, or the Raptor 4s. And they sent me that text, and it was like, hey, yes, like, let me get the shoe. I hit yes, and it was like, okay, instruct Nike.com to submit the order. As you know, Sneakers app is not about to wait for your payment and they're just gonna go to the next person. You know how the line goes and shit like that. So I took an L on them and the Air Force 1 Travis Scott's, man. Y'all know I love Air Force 1s. I got the Yeezys, the Yeezy Air Force 1s, or the Yeezy inspired ones. Got the SF AF 1s, or whatever they call. I got the Los Premios Air Force 1s. I want to get more Forces. I probably got more over there, but just remember, I need to get some all white ones, of course. I had a pair a while back, but they got super dirty, so I must went to, like, you know what I'm saying, the B-Al, you feel me? Some of the shoes I got that's real messed up, I just put them aside and they just all fucked up. So you know how that goes. So let's get on to the next shoe. These two sneakers right here really blew my mind. And these two shoes I actually got, but my bank fucked me over. So it's not Sneakers at fault. Let's get to the next one. Okay, the last shoe that I wanted to show y'all, I recently picked up, but you know I gotta get another video out to my subscribers, interact with my subscribers. So I'm gonna hold that one off hopefully Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, whenever you get here. I finally got my first shoe off of Foot Locker DE. You know, it's like a .com, it's a .de. So hopefully they hear either tomorrow, Wednesday or Thursday, so I can do an unboxing, show y'all what I cop. This is a shoe that I was supposed to release back in May, June timeframe, but they pushed the release back real far back. So I'm gonna hold that one off. But the last two, the Air Force Ones and the Raptor 4s, really fucking, that shit really pissed me off, man. Okay, so that's it for all the shoes that I take an L on. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Make sure y'all let me know what y'all took an L on recently and why. Like I said, the Air Force One, Travis Scott's, and the Raptor 4s are some shoes that I really wanted and I hit on the singles app, which is crazy, but my bank didn't let the transaction go through due to fraud protection or whatever. So I need to call my bank up. This might be something that's beneficial. I'm gonna try this out on the next couple releases. I'm gonna put this information out to y'all. I did my PayPal. I didn't know you can link your PayPal to Sneakers app. So I just recently linked my PayPal to Sneakers app. So hopefully none of that fraud protection stuff going on, and hopefully I can hit on some shoes on the Sneakers app. I don't know if I'm gonna have to put my password in for PayPal, stuff like that. But like I said, on the next live stream on the sneaker release on Saturday, I will show y'all, and then I'll put a video out to instruct y'all to do the same thing, man. I try to help y'all out, give y'all tips, pointers, and stuff like that. So hopefully this works, and hopefully this counters the whole fraud and me being over here in Germany and sneakers I'm shipping over here. So I'm gonna let y'all know. If you have not already followed me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. You know, the links will always be in the description box below. And with all that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.